Hi friends, I'm late to the sushi bake game, but it's better late than never. I'm using surimi, aka fake crab, but it's actually made out of fish. It's quick, easy, and low cost. Cut it up and work those finger muscles to break it up. Once it's nicely broken up and fluffed up, add some cream cheese, Kewpie mayo, hot sauce, furikake, sesame seeds, and some sesame oil, then mix it all up. I didn't use any specific quantities, but adjust it to your own preference and taste. The base layer is sushi rice. I tried to keep it fairly thin, just enough to cover the pan, but it's totally based on personal preference. Then some furikake, which I chose to put a lot of. Then a thick, generous layer of your surimi mixture. I've seen other alternatives like salmon, shrimp, and tuna. Just lay it on thick and spread it out evenly. Then I decided to add more furikake because apparently I love MSG. Drizzle with some Kewpie mayo, which I recommend being very generous with because I added more after, and some hot sauce, and then some sesame seeds. Put it in the oven, which surimi is already cooked, so it's really just to warm it up and give it some color, but don't overcook it because the rice will start to dry out and get a little hard. Super easy to serve. I just scoop it up in squares. For me, roasted seaweed is a must. I always get Korean brands because they do their seaweed so perfectly crisp and salty. Then just pinch and eat. I wouldn't say this scratches the sushi itch, but it's really convenient when you're short on time or are just lazy, and it's tasty. Let me know what your favorite sushi bake toppings are because I definitely want to try other variations because we really enjoyed this.